Alright, YouTube. Show you what I'm getting ready to do. It's hard to see because it's dark in here, but when I was disassembling it, that bolt broke off in the head right there. So I had to go get me a new tap and die set because the size that I needed was broke. I figured, why not just get a new set? So I got a new set. Gonna be that one. Tap that out, or drill that out. Hopefully all I have to do is chase the threads. If I have to retap them, then I do. Oh well. Got the shroud stripped for the most part on the top. Could not get that paint off the sides with the stripper that I was using, so I'm gonna have to grind that down. Should be priming tomorrow. Alright, so I'll get back with you after I get this thing out here. Alright, 2 drill bits later, finally got it out of there. Come on, focus. Not perfect, but I got the job done. Now I gotta rethread it, find out which thread that bolt is, and go from there. Alright, I'll get back with you here in a minute when I get the boring part done. Alright, tubes, just got done threading this. Let's see if it works. Wow, better than the factory. Tight fit. Threads look good. I might get a longer bolt though. Just buy a longer bolt so it gets more threads on it, because the top here messed up just a little bit when I was drilling out that broken bolt. So just go buy a longer bolt than that, about a 1/4 inch longer, and we should be good. It doesn't go into anything, just goes through to the open. The only thing that bolt's for is the back of the shroud when this is mounted on there. Oops. This goes on like that, and this bolt's on there. That's all that bolt's for. It's not actually a head bolt. Bolt's on like that. So should be good on that. Alright, enough of that. So here it is. Just got finished tapping that out. Not the best job in the world, but it'll work. So anyway, next time you see this, it'll either be taped off, ready to paint, or it'll be the video that I finished getting all the rest of the paint off and stuff. So I don't know how long this video is, but see you on the next one.